Do you rent your apartment but still rely on dumb metal keys? It feels like living in the Stone Age, except the cave rent is $2,000 a month. Most smart locks require you to replace the entire deadbolt, which is the fastest way to lose your security deposit. As your savvy tech advisor, I found the best Retrofit smart locks that slide over your existing lock, so you keep your keys and your landlord never has to know. First, the best overall retrofit, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This is the gold standard. It replaces only the thumb turn on the inside of your door. From the outside, your door looks exactly the same, and your landlord's physical key still works. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can unlock the door from anywhere or let guests in without hiding a key under the mat like a squirrel hiding a nut. Second, the best zero install option, the SwitchBot lock. If you are terrified of screwdrivers, this is for you. It literally uses industrial strength adhesive tape to stick to your door and physically grabs your existing lock to turn it. It looks a bit robotic, like a small droid is clinging to your door for dear life, but it installs in seconds and leaves absolutely no trace when you move out. And third, the best invisible lock, the level bolt. If your landlord is strict about aesthetics, this is the ninja move. It replaces the internal mechanism of the deadbolt, but reuses the existing outside keyhole and inside thumb turn. It is completely invisible. Nobody will know it's smart except you and your phone. It's the perfect crime, if the crime was convenient keyless entry. I've linked these renter-friendly locks in the description below, so you can upgrade your door without angering your landlord. For more smart home loopholes, make sure you subscribe.